Good morning again. This is Brad, your instructor for public speaking, and today we're going to have a few videos in the lesson 2 uh, activities for you to watch. We're going to start with this one, which is an overview of general purposes and specific purposes for a speech. This material follows information from your textbook and adds to it. Pages 48 are important, and then pages 55 to the end of the chapter for this video. So we'll start with the 4 general purposes of a speech. These purposes differ a little bit from how your book describes them, so this is a good time to take some notes. The first one is to introduce. This is really an informative speech about a person, about who they are, why they're important to the audience, and what is important for us to know. To inform, which is to share information or ideas. To persuade, either to change attitudes, values, or beliefs, and to entertain, or sometimes that's talked about more like as your book does, to mark a special occasion. So your first speech is in that realm of a speech of introduction. Your general purpose is to introduce. So you're going to introduce yourself. Who are you? Why are you interesting? What's important about you? Who will you be in life? What motivates you to be who you are today? All right. Once you've got that kind of general purpose in mind, then you start really honing down your specific purpose. And your specific purpose has 3 parts. If you turn to page 50, page 57, excuse me, you'll see 3 examples at the top of the page of general purpose, plus audience, plus objective. So those are the 3 parts of a specific purpose. Your general purpose, your audience, and then your objective or your goal. So to inform my nutrition class about the health benefits of soy products. So for the speech, you're going to do your speech of personal perspective. Your goal is to introduce myself to my classmates about how I understand the world. Of course, that third part will get a little more specific as you do your individual speeches. All right. And then once you've got those 3 ideas clearly in mind and you've gone back and you've really thrown together all of your ideas, that's when you can really start to create a thesis. Often the thesis does not use the words to introduce, to inform, to persuade, or to entertain. Rather, it's really built around that objective and clear and concrete language that will make sense to your audience. So this video is just a quick overview of those 3 concepts. The next video in the series today will be about brainstorming and idea mapping. How do you select a topic? I will go through some ideas for me to write a speech of personal perspective to give you a sense of what that looks like. Thank you for watching video 1, and I hope it's clear now what the 4 general purposes are of a speech and what are the 3 parts of your specific purpose, your general purpose, your audience, and your objective. And we'll work some more in another video on really crafting that thesis statement after we've completed topics. Thank you.